Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get free Chipotle in 2025. So go to ogsnags.com and we're going to look for Chipotle promo code. So if you can't find it, just go to the search bar and type it in. Here it is. So we're going to go ahead and press on it. And as you can see, it says working codes to get your order for free. So I'm going to press show coupon code and just wait for it to load. So once it loads, guys, it's going to say coupons valid. So you just want to go ahead and press get full code, and it's going to redirect you over here to this page where it says activating reward for the Chipotle, guys. So as you can see, reward activated. So this is super cool. I already answered my email, but it's probably going to ask for your email. And then after that, you have to do a survey, guys. So let's go ahead and do the survey right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to answer all the questions. It's pretty simple. So just go ahead and do that. And then at the end, just press I agree and continue. And then finally, it's going to bring us to the deals. So this is the final step to get the free Chipotle. So here it is. As you can see, it will say that we did everything, and then it will make us do the deals. So as you can see, it says complete one deal to continue, complete one deal. So they have these like apps you do. So Monopoly Go, do board level 10. So you press continue, you press no, and it tells you how to do it. So I have to reach board level 10. So I press start deal, brings me to the app store. I just download the app, and then I complete board level 10. Then I should get the free Chipotle. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, down here you can see it says complete one deal to continue. So after you do that, you should get your Chipotle promo code. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because it fully works, guys, and it's super cool. So if you're interested, be sure to try it out for yourself. It's crazy. Fully updated method, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. And yeah, peace out.